Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are going to be we're just trying to get some data out there. I don't have any fancy equipment or anything like that, so I'll just cut to the chase. I have a 12.5. I have a 18-inch Dano Defense upper. I will shoot 5 rounds with the 12.5 with the Lahar 30. I will shoot 5 rounds with the 18-inch with the Lahar 30, and then I will do 5 shots with the Lahar 30K on the 12.5, and then I will do 5 shots on the 18-inch, just to give you guys some data. Understand this is being recorded on a camera, so results are going to vary. If I'd have to pick one, I only have the 30 and the 30K, so I definitely like the 30. The weight difference is very marginal, and I just would take the extra 2 baffles and a little bit more suppression when you have to wait a good amount of time. So just wanted to throw that out there. Fuck the ATF, and let's get into the video. I should add, I'll put this in the beginning, I am using the direct thread for both of these, or for the experiment, so just wanted to put that in there. And we are shooting 55 grain PMC. Let's get into it. We'll do 5 rounds. Here we go. Okay, there's 5. All right, we're gonna switch to the K. Okay, this is how it looks with the K can. I have not put a lot of rounds through it, as much compared to the 30, just because I just enjoyed it a little bit more. So just take that into account. So we'll still be shooting 5 here, and we are shooting 55 grain PMC. There you go. And hopefully you can tell some sort of a difference. So here we go. Stand by. All right. Here we go. I believe we have 3 more. There you go. With the Lahar 30K, so let's do some shooting here. It is kind of heavy. I mean, look how ridiculous this is. All right, we're gonna be shooting 5. Here we go. 5. There's 5. I have some more awesome products coming on the channel, so besides that, take it easy. Hopefully that gives you guys some sort of reference. I apologize I don't have more hosts, but if I could pick one up, I would pick up the Lahar 30. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, share, consider subscribing to the channel,